Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your GMAIN examination. This question came on 27th August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. Question says, a rod CD of thermal resistance 10 Kelvin per watt is joined at the middle of an identical rod AB as shown in the figure. Okay, so this CD portion is identical to this AB portion and it is joined in the middle. So this CD portion have a thermal resistance of 10. So this AC would also have a thermal resistance of 5 because since it is a half portion of the CD, and CB also would have a thermal resistance of 5. Okay, don't you think? So the expression would be this much portion would have a thermal resistance of 10 and this portion would have a thermal resistance of 5 and this portion would also have a thermal resistance of 5. Okay, now the end A, B, D are maintained at 200 degree, 100 degree and 125 degrees respectively. So this and these ends have been maintained at different temperature. The heat current in CD in is P watt. So what is the heat current in CD, which is P watt? Okay, so the value of P is, you need to find out this value. We also know that the current supplied, since this terminal has been given at higher temperature as compared to these two terminals, the heat would flow just like this. At the junction it will go to to its different end. Some of the heat will go towards C and some of the heat will go towards D. Okay, so the thermal heat developed, so the thermal current from in the portion A to, let this terminal be D. Okay, no, D is already given to you, so let this terminal be E. So the thermal heat coming from side AE would be distributed into EC as well as ED side. Okay, so the current, the thermal current coming from this end would go over there and in the downward direction towards CD. So what is the thermal current supplied by this end AE? So it would be equivalent to change in delta T by thermal resistance. What do you think? So it would be equivalent to, what is delta T? It is equivalent to 200 minus E. Let the temperature be of this terminal be T. So this would be 200 minus T, delta T, change in temperature per unit thermal resistance. Thermal resistance is 5. Must be equal to the heat current supplied to the CD as well as EC. So the heat current supplied to the CD would be T minus 125 divided by 10 plus, here it would equal to T minus 100 by 5. Okay, now this is the expression from which you can easily find out the value of temperature. Okay, so it would be 2 into this much and then 2 into this much. So this 10 will cancel out each other, so eventually you will get 400 minus 2T must be equal to T minus 125 plus 2T minus 200. Okay, so this the whole term, so from solve it, so they will get the value of temperature which is coming out to be 145 degree. Okay, so the temperature of the junction must be equal to 145 degree centigrade. Now you need to find out what is the heat current in the CD portion. We also know that heat current in the CD portion is given by delta T by thermal resistance. Okay, what is delta T? It is T minus 125. So this would be the current. We have to find, we have to put this value of 145 in it. So you'll be getting as T minus 145 divided by 10. So it would be equivalent to 145 minus 125 by 10, and solve it, it comes out to be, this would be 20 by 10. So finally our answer comes out to be 2 watt. So our final answer would be 2 watt. So that means the current supplied by in this portion CD must be, the heat current supplied in the portion CD must be equal to 2 watt. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.